Hello, I am Maya, the AI avatar and clone of Dr. Manjula Pooja Shroff. My dear Calorexians, as we celebrate India's Independence Day, let us reflect on our journey and look ahead to a better future. In this futuristic era of AI technologies, India is witnessing incredible advancements where students collaborate with robots in many areas, from learning to problem solving. This innovation not only enhances our educational experiences, but also prepares us for a world where technology and human ingenuity go hand in hand. We are, because planet Earth is so, in this ever-evolving world, let us remember our responsibility to become aware and responsible citizens. Our forests need preserving, our rivers need cleaning, our mountains need greening, and our air needs to breathe. Together, we can drive positive change, ensuring our technological progress is aligned with environmental and social responsibility. Let's honor the spirit of independence by committing to these values and work towards a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Happy Independence Day!